Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire FFPE3322UM, a mini fridge that, while it has some strong points, ultimately falls short in crucial areas. This fridge measures 33.38 inches in height, 18.75 inches in width, and 17.5 inches in depth, making it a compact option for those who need a bit of extra cold storage. With a measured capacity of 2.22 cubic feet and a sleek stainless steel finish, it certainly looks the part in any setting. However, the performance leaves much to be desired. One of the standout features, or rather, disappointments, of this fridge is its average temperature of 41 degrees Fahrenheit at default settings. This is notably the warmest fridge in its category, and with food safety standards dictating that anything above 40 degrees Fahrenheit is risky for food storage, this is a significant concern. Thankfully, the temperature consistency is reliable once calibrated correctly, so it won't fluctuate wildly, but that initial warmth is a red flag. Now, let's talk about the freezer, which is technically a bonus feature. Unfortunately, it barely functions as one. The FFPE3322UM only manages to get down to 22 degrees Fahrenheit, which is far from sufficient for proper freezing. Ice cream lovers beware. Don't expect that cone-ready scoop after a stint in this freezer. In fact, the temperature inconsistency makes this freezer the worst performer in its testing group. While it could serve as a secondary refrigeration space, relying on it for frozen goods isn't advisable. In summary, while the Frigidaire FFPE3322UM has its merits in design and compact size, its lackluster cooling capabilities and poor freezer performance make it difficult to recommend wholeheartedly. If you're in the market for a mini fridge, you might want to consider other options that prioritize food safety and cooling efficiency.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.